banana cake with milk caramel. This turned out perfect. In a bowl, I'll add 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I'll mix the ingredients very well. I'll add 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'll mix these and the next ingredients. Then I'll add 2 cups of wheat flour. This recipe is going to look beautiful and taste delicious. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is what will make our recipe rise and become soft. Now folks, I'll pour the mixture into a glass baking dish. I'll need 3 bananas sliced in half, and I'll place them on top of the recipe, like this, until the glass baking dish is filled. After that, I'll add milk caramel to taste on top of the recipe, like this. Now, in a bowl, I'll add 1 cup of wheat flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and I'll mix the ingredients very well with my hands. Remember to use gloves to do this the best way. Once ready, I'll place the mixture on top of the recipe in the glass baking dish. This mixture will make the recipe very delicious and crunchy. It goes really well with the milk caramel I added earlier. I'll spread it well across the glass baking dish to cover the entire recipe, making sure no side is different from the other. I love eating this recipe on a weekend night. It makes my family very happy and satisfied. It pairs perfectly with a hot coffee. After that, I'll put the recipe in the oven at 360 Fahrenheit degrees for 50 minutes. After this time, it's ready. Now just slice a piece and put it on a plate to enjoy this delicious dessert. Look how beautiful this dessert is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.